So this cop, a police sergeant, grabs his own officer by the throat. Not a suspect, not a criminal, his own female officer. And the reason he did it? She tried to stop him from going too far. Everything you're about to see was caught on Bodycam. This is the Christopher Pullease case.
What you gotta do? No. On my wrist, I can't get in the car, so let go. So what you gotta do? So just get in the car. Alright, just get in the car.
Alright, so this is Bodycam footage out of Sunrise, Florida. You got a bunch of officers out here trying to get this handcuffed guy into the back of a patrol car. So far, nothing crazy. Just a normal arrest.
Car. No, he doesn't want in the car. Get in the car.
Now the suspect is handcuffed. He's complaining about the cuffs being too tight, but he's not violent or anything. And this officer right here, Officer Brunson, she's a junior officer, been on the force less than 3 years. She's handling the whole thing calmly. No drama, just doing her job. But then this guy shows up, Sergeant Christopher Pullease, 21 years on the force, 47 years old. And you can already tell by the way he's walking up that he's not here to help. He's here to start something. What he does next got him charged with a felony.
No, he doesn't want in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. All right, I'm getting in. Get your feet in. What's up?
So now Pullease walks right up to the car, gets in this guy's face, literally inches away. Keep in mind this man is handcuffed. He's sitting there. He can't even move his hands. And listen to what Pullease says to him.
Hey, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. You want to play games? You're playing with the wrong motherfucker. What you gotta do, man?
He's screaming at a handcuffed man while waving pepper spray right in his face. And the suspect just says, "Do what you gotta do, man." He's not even fighting back. But then Pullease says something that honestly made my jaw drop. Listen to this.
You gonna mace me, mace me. Look at me, mother. You wanna play games? You ever get disrespectful with my officers, I will remove your soul from your body.
He just told a handcuffed man he's going to remove his soul from his body. That's a straight-up death threat from a uniformed police officer, on camera, to a guy who can't even defend himself. And somehow, that's still not the worst thing that happens in this video. So...
Do what you gotta do.
No. Just let it be.
I don't understand that.
We clear?
Yes, sir.
That, please.
And I'll see you in about 5 minutes.
So, Officer Brunson is watching all of this go down. Her sergeant is completely out of control, and their department actually has a policy for this. If you see a fellow officer escalating a situation, you're supposed to step in and pull them back. That's literally what they train you to do. So Brunson walks up behind Pullease and grabs his belt to pull him away from the suspect. He turns around and grabs her by the throat. You can see his hand wrapped around her neck, and he shoves her backwards into the other patrol car. A sergeant did this to his own officer because she tried to calm him down.
No.
She's just standing there in shock, hands up. She doesn't swing back, doesn't yell, nothing. And look at these other officers right here. They're standing right there watching the whole thing, and nobody says a word. Nobody steps in. Nobody even checks on her. So you're probably wondering what happened to this guy. And honestly, it's going to make you angry. Pullease got hit with 4 charges. Felony battery on an officer, assault on an officer, assault on a civilian for threatening the handcuffed suspect, and evidence tampering because he actually wiped his phone after he found out he was being investigated. 2 of those are felonies. He was looking at up to 10 years in prison. Police Chief Anthony Rosa even came out and said that Pullease escalated the situation instead of calming it down, and he praised Brunson for following department protocol. But you know what actually happened? Pullease retired, kept his full pension, and his whole case got thrown into a diversion program where if he just sits through it, every single charge goes away. No trial, no conviction, nothing. Meanwhile, Brunson, the one who did everything right, who got grabbed by the throat for literally doing her job, she's still out there on the force working every day. He's sitting at home collecting a pension check.